This is TechComSpot channel. Thank you for watching. Windows 10 is a series of operating systems developed by Microsoft and released as part of its Windows NT family of operating systems. It is the successor to Windows 8.1, released nearly 2 years earlier, and was released to manufacturing on July 15, 2015, and broadly released for the general public on July 29, 2015. When you download Windows from Microsoft Store, you have two options. You can download a collection of compressed files, or you can download an ISO file. An ISO file combines all the Windows installation files into a single uncompressed file. If you choose to download an ISO file so you can create a bootable file from a DVD or USB drive, copy the Windows ISO file onto your drive and then run the Windows USB or and DVD download tool. Then simply install Windows onto your computer directly from your USB or DVD drive. First you have to install the Windows USB/DVD download tool. Click to open the Windows USB/DVD download tool page. Click Download then Run. Follow the steps in the setup dialogs. You'll have the option to specify where to install the Windows USB/DVD download tool. You must be an administrator on the computer on which you are installing the Windows USB/DVD download tool. It requires the Microsoft.NET Framework version 2.0 or higher. Before you run the download tool, make sure you have purchased the Windows ISO download from Microsoft Store and downloaded the Windows ISO file to your drive. If you have purchased Windows but have not yet downloaded the ISO file, you can download the ISO file from your Microsoft Store account. Click the Windows Start button, and click Windows USB/DVD download tool in the All Programs list to open the Windows USB/DVD download tool. In the source file box, type the name and path of your Windows ISO file, or click Browse and select the file from the Open dialog box. Click Next. Select USB device to create a copy on a USB flash drive or select DVD disk to create a copy on a DVD disk. If you are copying this file to a USB flash drive, select your USB device in the drop-down list and click Begin Copying. When your Windows ISO file is copied to your drive, install Windows by moving to the root folder of your USB drive, and then double-click setup.exe. You need a USB drive with a minimum of 4 GB of free space. If you don't see your USB drive in the list of available devices, please make sure the drive is inserted in the USB port, and then click the refresh button beside the list of available drives. If you like the video, then just share it, put like, do comments. And don't hesitate to subscribe.